Similarly, HMA is a professional micro India. We have lawyers, chartered accountants, ICWAs, company secretaries, management consultants. No other forum in the country has this diversity. All of them have gained immense knowledge in terms of best practices, how to deal with people, how to lead them, how to implement contemporary management practices and systems, and a tremendous amount of knowledge sharing, which was immense gain and benefit for all of them. Now, at this point of time, on behalf of HMA, I would like to thank all the past presidents and the managing committee members who have made this possible. If we are like this today and conducting this function, it is only the hard work and the unstinted, unwavering support of the past presidents of HMA. Well, they have proved very clearly a famous statement by Margaret Mead: never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. They have made a phenomenal contribution to Hyderabad and AP in terms of furtherance of management. Well, distinguished personalities like Sri APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, Mr. Yogi Deveshwar of ITC, and several ministers, businessmen, achievers in different front, entrepreneurs, have been our guests, have addressed us in different forums, in different seminars and lectures. Coming to our new initiatives for this year, we wanted to be a little different. HMA has been doing a lot of hard work, but it is not enough if you do hard work. What is important is smart work and network. We are a part of All India Management Association, IMA, and we are making a serious bid for the Best LMA Award. For that, a few initiatives which we have planned. Number one, adding 1,000 new members in this year. Members can be right from the prospective managers, management students, management consultants, any working person, any employee in any organization can be a member of HMA and can gain immense benefits. Professionals like doctors and lawyers and non-management professionals can gain more because they need more of management practices. We are doing major programs in industrial areas. People in industrial areas, especially Balanagar and Nacharam, are not able to come and attend our lectures. So we are taking the HMA to industrial areas. We are doing major events with IMA in terms of good seminars. A major seminar is happening on 22nd of October. I request all of you to kindly be part of that. It is totally for the SME sectors and a very highly content-oriented seminar. A lot of IT professionals are coming into the fold of HMA. New IT companies are becoming our members. There is a separate focus and emphasis we want to give to the women entrepreneurs and professional women. We request more of them to join and conduct programs which would be useful in the emancipation of women. Finally, it's about improving quality of management education and faculty development. Half the memorandum of association of HMA is focused on management education, and that makes a big difference. So we cannot ignore that aspect, and we have to do our job in improving the quality of the education to whatever extent we can. Finally, doctors, lawyers, CAs, NGOs, scientists should join in large numbers and have individual programs. In this aspect, we are looking at some new subjects for HMA this year. We are going to have programs in knowledge management. We are looking at innovation management. We are looking at business analytics. We are looking at sustainability. We are looking at cloud computing and all the relevant contemporary topics. People who attend HMA programs in terms of lectures and seminars, they gain a lot of knowledge. And today, knowledge is power, and they go to the next level. It is very obvious. With these few thoughts and few initiatives, I would like to hand over for the next part of the program, before which I would like to conclude two important quotations on which HMA is running. The great Benjamin Franklin said, "Energy and persistence conquers all things." Right from the first president of HMA in 1964 and his committee members, today there is a lot of energy and a lot of persistence. That is why the result is today a gala attendance. This kind of attendance was not seen in the previous years.